that this seems to be a similar move that is now being mulled after Australia, now by France. Now, the French President Macron has announced plans to fast-track legislation banning the use of social media for children under the age of 15 and for the implementation as far as when it comes to the clearance from the lower house passing the bill, what we are getting to know that it may implement when it comes to the target that is now set on child safety drive that is now being cited. Here's a post by Emmanuel Macron, the president of France, saying that banning social media for those under 15, that what scientists are advocating, and that's what the French people are overwhelmingly demanding. After fruitful work with the government, the National Assembly has just said, yes, this is a major step. Now it is up to the Senate to continue with its constructive work. And this ban comes into effect as early as next school year. I've asked the government to activate the accelerated procedure because our children's brains are not for sale, neither to American platforms nor to Chinese networks, because their dreams cannot be dictated by algorithms. And because we do not want an anxious generation, but a generation that believes in France, the Republic and its values. France, which is a pioneer since 2018 in regulating platforms, continues to be one today by becoming the first country in Europe to commit to this path. So let's in the meantime also talk about, because similar regulations have also now come in force as far as when we speak of what has happened in Australia. In fact, states in India too have been mulling a similar move as far as when it comes to banning social media for teenagers in particular. Now, Elon Musk seems to be slamming a WhatsApp security, now calling it as a questionable move, and he seems to be now pushing XChat platform, and data privacy now seems to have reignited. Now, as far as all of these developments that are now concerned, because this seems to be a response that Elon Musk now seems to be giving, saying that Meta whistleblowers say that WhatsApp private chats can be read by company despite promises of end-to-end encryption, which Meta actually promises, to which, as one of the big competitors that we're looking at, Elon Musk now seems to be responding to that post, saying that WhatsApp is not secure, even Signal is questionable, use XChat, so promoting as far as his X, previously known as Twitter, company is now concerned. Well, that seems to be as far as what's happening in the international updates we are tracking for you this morning. Heading into a short break, you're watching Times Now.